KHOU 11 investigates the slow rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine. We've learned more than 1,000 Houston area healthcare providers are approved to distribute this vaccine. But get this, less than half have received any doses. And Jeremy Rogalski also found providers in communities of color are less likely to get the vaccine than those in white neighborhoods.
Hillcroft Physicians got approved to distribute COVID-19 vaccines more than 6 weeks ago. But so far,
we have not received any, not even for our staff.
Dr. Forough Farizani is the medical director.
Have you spoken to the state, and what is the state telling you?
They just say yes, you are in the list, you're going to be getting it, but they don't say when.
How frustrating is that?
Very frustrating.
The frustration is widespread in the greater Houston area. Of the 1,000+ COVID vaccine providers approved by the state of Texas as of last week, only 425, or 40%, have been shipped any doses directly.
Is this where the state wants to be at this point?
We want to have more vaccine. We want to get more vaccine, and we want to push it out to the state as widely as we possibly can.
But where has the state pushed out vaccine? In majority white zip codes, 46% of approved providers have received it. But in predominantly minority zip codes, that drops to 36%.
What about our patients?
Hillcroft Physicians is one of those providers to serve mostly communities of color.
The patients that they have underlying conditions such as diabetes, asthma, COPDs, and we don't have any vaccines, to give to them.
But COVID vaccines have been going to large hubs across Texas, so we had to ask the state,
are these small providers getting pushed back to the end of the line?
It's not pushing back because we are going to see the supply of vaccine expand. Don't think that just because vaccine distribution looked like it did in the first 3 to 4 weeks, that's how it's going to be forever.
Texas is set to receive another 333,000 first doses this week and says those will be shipped to some 260 providers across the state. Back to you.